Hey guys, Artin here with another video. Today I'm going to show you Angry Bird Space Play-Doh. This is the space version of a Mighty Eagle. This is the real Mighty Eagle. They look kind of the same, but he's purple and he's white. And this is a can of sardines that it's an item in the game, so whenever you throw it, a vortex opens and then the Angry Bird Space Mighty Eagle comes out and eats it. This is Big Brother Pig. He's a giant pig inside ice. Like there's a planet and it's like an ice planet, and he's frozen inside of the ice. And he is King Pig's best friend. Yay! This is Icebird. Whenever you fling him, he freezes things. He freezes the opponent like he was. That's how he got frozen in the ice. Just for you to know that Icebird does not do everything alone. He has friends like Bomb Space version, Laserbird, a Redbird Space version, Big Brother Bird Space version, and one of the Bluebirds Space version. And Mario. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.